Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you and show you how to create a Telegram account on your Android phone. It's easy and simple, so let's jump to the video. First thing you want to do is downloading your Telegram app from Play Store. If you use Android, go to Play Store and search for Telegram like this. Then click on search, then try to download this app. Now we go to the next step is how to create an account on Telegram. First thing you want to do is open your Telegram app and open it. Click on it like this. Then click on start messaging. Then here you will choose your country. First thing you choose your country. If you are from any area, choose your right country here. As you see it showing here. I will choose my country and I will back to you. As you see, the second thing is enter your phone number, the valid phone number you use. Click and write your phone number. I will write it and I will back to you. As you see, we finish writing our phone number and choosing our country. Now we move to the next step by clicking on this blue arrow. Now you will confirm it's this number correct. If not, click on edit. If yes, click on yes. As you see, it takes you to this page. It said that you can request. You wait until the code verification sent. As you see, the code verification sending. Now it takes me to this page. Now here in this page, you have two things you do. First thing, if you want to choose your profile picture, click here on this icon. Then if you want to take a photo directly from your phone or to upload it from the gallery, this is the two options. If you want to choose it from the for example, you take a shot from your phone directly. As you see here, take screen like this. Take a photo like this. Then what you're going to do next, click on this check icon like this. Then it will show you your picture, your profile picture. Then what you're going to do next, you want to choose your name and last name. For example, you want to choose your name, your exact name, or you want to choose, for example, your company name if you want. As you see here, I choose my channel name, for example. Then I click on this blue arrow again. Then as you see, it takes me to this page. It said welcome to Telegram. Now you are on Telegram and you can access everything you want. If you want to let Telegram access to your account, click continue. If not, click not now. Then as you see here, now you can start messaging by typing the pencil button in the bottom right corner. This pencil, you can message anyone you want. For example, you want to add a contact from your phone, click on continue like this, then click on allow, then you can add anything you want. If you want to search for friends, for example, like this, or invite friends, you can invite it from this list. As you see, your contact on Telegram. If you want to add anyone, click on this pencil or then click on this plus, as you see here. So this is how to create a Telegram account in your phone. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.